This is like kind of like a soft girl DIY, but you can do this and you can pack those Valentine gifts in those, or you can give this as a Valentine gift. So I got these totes from Michaels. They were about $2.99. They did ring up for more than that, but I showed them and they rang them down to the price that they should have been. But these are really nice totes. Super cute. They do come out, so you can get like a lot of the stuff in these too. I got them in two different colors, like the natural color and the black. I had them for a while, so they got a little linty and stuff like that, but that is okay. I got a bunch of different ribbon to pick from. I got some from the Dollar Tree, some from Michaels, some from even Joann's, the velvet one. So you can do these in a lot of different styles, but like I said, we're going to give these kind of like a Valentine's kind of look. So I'm going to take this one right here for the black. I got this cute little pearl ribbon. I got that from Michaels. I'm just going to make like a little bow first. I was trying to see if I could just tie it off like that, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to do like that. I'm just going to twist it into a bow style and then wrap around this thin one right here just to close it off. But you can make your bows however you feel, but I made it with these two bows, so that thin sheer pink one and then the pearl one for the black, and I just thought that was cute and simple. I made about 8 bows. I didn't do for the back, just for the front, because usually the back will be against your body and it'll be rubbing, and you don't want to rub your bows. Once you decide where you want to place them, you can play around with it. You don't have to make all your bows the same size either. You can make them different sizes. And just FYI, a side note, I have seen these totes for sale for $40 plus. So this is a real easy and simple to make, and only a couple of dollars. So I'm just going to give it a little bit of glue, tack it down just to hold everything in place, and then you come back and you can sew those down just to make sure everything stays in the same place. And it's just real easy to simple to do. You don't need a lot of sewing skills or anything like that to do this one. This is real simple. Just make sure you don't go all the way through to the other side. You're just doing that one side where the bows are. And then I repeated the same thing with the natural color one. I thought about using more vivid pinks and stuff like that, but then I said, let's keep it nice and neutral. So I went with the lightest color velvet and that same sheer pink one for this one right here. And this is how it came out. I love the neutral one. It's just so simple. And like I said, these don't just have to be for Valentine's. They can be for any occasion, any season, because it kind of gives that soft girl kind of style. And these are great to pack your gifts in or to give as a gift.